Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Nikka Nadia, and we are going to play with some belly dance drills today. So combining our hip circle, our omi, and our chest circle, let's play with putting them together. So warming up our hips, taking some circles. Let's start by going to our left, around, 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 around. Knees are bent, chest is lifted. Breathing and smiling. And other direction. This way, this way. Both knees are bent. And let's go one direction, reverse other, stopping in front, around, 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 reverse, around, reverse, around, 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 around. Now let's move to the chest. Chest circles to the left, around, around. Keep your head in the center. And now other way, around, reverse, to the right. And now going both directions. Let's go left, stop front, and a right, front, around, touch, around, touch, room, click, room, click, room, click, around, 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 around. Good. Now, let's practice putting our chest and then our hips. So I want you to imagine like there's a corkscrew, like a wine opener, going up and down the body. So we're gonna start going to the left. Let's start with the chest. You're going to shift it side, back, side, forward, and then the hip picks up. Where the chest would keep going to this side, now the hip goes side, back, side, forward, okay? Chest around, hips around. Chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips. Going up and down and up, down, up, down, up and down from behind, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. Let's try the other direction. So going to the right and the right. Around, around. So check that you're keeping the other part of the body still. So we move our chest, our hips, our chest, our hips, chest, hips, chest, hips and chest, hips and a chest, hips and a chest, hips and a chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips and up, down, down, up, down, up, down from behind, hips and a chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips. And now we rest. Thanks you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments below how it went for you, if you have any questions, and I hope to see you really soon.